Now we will be clicking on API setup, and we will be choosing our phone number that we have given while creating the API. As you remember that we have already created the permanent access code, right? So now we were left with two things over there on the WA Notifier portal, like one was phone number ID and one was WhatsApp business ID. Okay, we'll click on copy and we'll go to wanotifier.com and we will be putting up the phone number ID over there. And now we will be copying the WhatsApp business account ID and we'll be copy pasting it over here. And since we have already saved our permanent access token, so now we will copy paste that permanent access token and we will click on save and validate. So now our account is ready. Here it is asking us for a test message to check if it is working or not. So I will be putting the normal WhatsApp number over here so that WA Notifier using WhatsApp Cloud API can send a message to me. In a similar way, put your normal WhatsApp number and see if you are actually receiving the message or not. And we can see that test message has been sent successfully, and this might actually take few seconds to reach to the WhatsApp number. So just have patience, just wait for 30-40 seconds or maybe 1 minute, and you will be receiving the test message from the number which you have used for creating WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I have received this test message, and for me the setup is working completely fine. This is the step number 3. So now let's click on configure. So now we will go to wanotifier.com, and you remember that we have already created our account over there, so you need to log in, and then you need to click on edit over here and then go back again, copy paste the callback URL and then go there and paste it. And now copy paste the verify token URL and then paste it and then click on verify and save. So now next is we need to click on webhook fields and we need to select all of them. So guys, that's it. So this was the step 3, that is webhook configuration. So now we will be moving to the next step, that is step 4, in the next video. So I hope you guys have reached to the step 4. So here we are going to create permanent access token. Okay, so yeah, we'll click on app dashboard and we'll click on business settings. Here we will click on system users. We'll click on add. We'll scroll down and we will accept it. Here we are naming it as Bharat Go Digital. System user role will be admin. Click on create. And then click on I accept and then done. Now we'll click on add assets and then click on apps. Select the app that you have created for WhatsApp Cloud API and then click on full control and then click on save changes. Okay, so our asset has been added. Click on done. Here we need to make sure that we have given full access. So now we'll click on generate token. In the token expiration date, we'll click on never. Here we have to select the WhatsApp option, WhatsApp business messaging and WhatsApp business management. That's it. Only two options have to be selected over here. And then click on generate token. Okay, so now we have created our permanent access token. So you can save this token in your email or in a txt file where you can reuse it afterwards. Also we will be needing it, so make sure, like, you store it in a safe place. So now we'll move to WA Notifier website and we'll copy paste the permanent access token over here. So that's it. So in this video now we have created the permanent access token, which was the step 4. Now in the next video we will be moving to the step number 5. In this step we are going to add the payment method. We will click on WhatsApp accounts and then we will click on settings and click on payment settings. So here we need to add a credit or debit card where recurring transactions can happen. We'll choose the currency. Depending on the country, we'll be choosing it. We will be selecting the time zone of our country. and then click on next. So here now we will be adding the credit card or debit card details, and we need to verify it so that recurring transactions can happen from there. This process might take a minute or two. Once your credit debit card details are verified, then you will have to put your business details and then click on save. So that's it for this particular step. We'll continue with the next step in the next video. So we have added the payment method in the last video. So now we'll go to developers.facebook.com again. We will click on my apps. We will go to our app which we have created for the purpose of WhatsApp Cloud API. And then we will click on app mode and we will make it live. Okay, so now we will be seeing this error. You must provide a valid policy URL in order to take your app live. So we will click on this basic setting, and here we will be putting the privacy policy page of our website. And then we will click on save changes, and then we will make the app live. So now we can see that we have made our app live and we have done all the things that were needed to make the WhatsApp API live. In the next video, we will be linking it with our WA Notifier tool.